Craving a slice of the U.S. stock market pie but stuck outside of America? Unfortunately, Robinhood, as it exists in its current form, is exclusively available to legal residents of the United States. That means you'll need a U.S. Social Security number, a valid U.S. residential address, and U.S. citizenship, permanent residency, or a valid U.S. visa to open an account. This is due to a whole host of legal and regulatory reasons, including compliance with U.S. financial laws and international agreements. Robinhood needs to verify your identity and ensure compliance with tax regulations within the U.S. So, what are your options if you're not a U.S. resident? Directly using Robinhood as an international investor simply isn't possible right now. Don't waste your time trying to bypass security measures, as this is generally against their terms of service and can lead to account closure. The good news is several globally accessible brokerage platforms offer access to U.S. stocks like eToro, Interactive Brokers, or TD Ameritrade International. These platforms adhere to international financial regulations and provide services to investors in various countries. Do your research, compare fees, available instruments, and user reviews before committing to a platform that suits your investment goals. And always check their specific requirements for opening an international account. While you can't use Robinhood directly, exploring these alternatives will allow you to participate in the U.S. stock market from wherever you are in the world. Happy investing!